what would be one item? What would be one item? What would be one item that you confirm plus chop will take?
My phone.
I will take my IC lah and my akong IC lah. What?
My phone.
是的，要我的话，就是我会带走家中最重要的就是钱。
And my dog. Yeah.
For me, 1 liter of bottle.
In case I need to communicate with either loved ones or the authorities.
And identity. Because we all need our phones to stay connected. It's the easiest thing to bring. It's portable. It makes it like a flashlight. Yeah.
手机不手机丢了无所谓，这个钱必须要在，钱在了，对不对？你就可以去买新手机。
I can survive without power. I can survive without data, internet. I can with one single 1 liter bottle. I can survive at least 1 week. Look for another place to go to survive another 1 week.
So that I can like contact the emergency that when